Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given an expression and we have been given the values of p and q, and from that we have to find the value of the expression. So p equals 3 and q equals 2, and the given expression is minus of 2q cube plus 8p square q minus of 10p square plus 5p minus 10. So we will have minus of 2 multiplied by q cube, that is 2 raised to the power 3. Then we have plus 8 multiplied by p square, which is 3 square, multiplied by q, which is 2, minus of 10 multiplied by p square, which is 3 square, plus 5 multiplied by 3 minus 10. So 2 cube is 8, and 8 multiplied by minus of 2 is minus of 16. Then we have 8 multiplied by 3 square, which is 9, multiplied by 2, minus of 10 multiplied by 3 square, so 3 square is 9, and 9 multiplied by minus of 10 will give us minus of 19. Then we have plus 15 and minus of 10. So we will have minus of 16 plus 8 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 2 will give us 144. Then minus of 90 plus 15 minus 10. So let's use the calculator and find the answer. So 144 minus 16 minus 90 plus 15 minus 10 will give us 43. So 43 will be the required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.